Jagger reunited with siblings Georgia May and Lucas and documented the occasion with a selfie. Siblings are the best. Mick Jagger's children are well aware of their dynasty status. The Rolling Stones musicians' children Jade, 49, Georgia May, 29, and Lucas, 22, posed for some selfies together amid their sibling bonding time. Jade documented the reunion on her Instagram on Thursday, July 22nd and gushed about her brothers and sisters. Siblings are the best when you come from a dynasty like mine, the jewelry designer captioned the post. She and her step-siblings were all smiles in the two selfies. Ah, to be a member of the dynastic Jagger clan. Along with the trio, Mick has 5 other children: Deveraux, 4, with his current partner Melanie Hamrick, Karis, 50, Gabriel, 23, Elizabeth, 37, and James, 35. The English musician shares his other adult children with former partners. Mick shares Jade with Bianca Jagger, Georgia May with Jerry Hall, and Lucas with Luciana Gimenez. The rockers' blended family clearly has love for one another. Last month, Georgia May documented her brother Lucas' visit to Los Angeles on Instagram, sharing snapshots of their sibling adventures in the city. The duo enjoyed hikes and shared meals together. Related gallery. Celebrity dads with their kids, photos of Scott Disick, Chris Brown and more. Guest column for The Guardian in 2014, Jerry opened up about her blended family and said that her 4 children have a close relationship with her ex's other children. My children are very close to Mick's other children, my stepchildren, the actress wrote. Mick has a son with another woman, after me, so the whole family is very, very close, and I'm close with the mothers. I think family is really, really important. Jerry also revealed the family spends the holidays together. It gives you a good foundation, a lot of strength, Jerry continued. It's really important to me that there is not conflict in the family. We have big Christmas get-togethers, with all the mums and all the children, and it's wonderful. One big blended family. Georgia May echoed her mom's sentiments in an interview with Grazia that same year, and even offered insights into what Christmas looked like in the Jagger household. Christmas in our family is really a big deal, the model said. We always listen to Louis Prima, that's always been the music that goes with our Christmases. I love doing really old school stuff like building a gingerbread house. My brother and I had a competition one year. He and I also like to cook Christmas lunch together and we're always trying to improve on it. We get quite obsessed.